Small movements, massive impact. Looking for CEUs that actually count? Join Niki Singh and Ready Set Connect with our latest course. Niki Singh is an occupational therapist and has been working in upper limb and physical rehabilitation for 24 years in Durban, South Africa. Professionally, she has been past president and regional chair of the South African Society of Hand Therapists. Being hands-on in hand therapy. 3 topics that are changing therapy outcomes. In this course, participants will be able to demonstrate effective assessment skills to evaluate and treat specific hand conditions following established protocols, and identify and address complications in hand rehabilitation to enhance client recovery and function. This course is offered by an AOTA-approved provider and provides 0.3 CEUs. Visit www.readysetconnect.com. Choose your course, purchase, and start immediately. Learn at your own pace on a user-friendly platform. Access videos and materials up to 5 years from the launch date. Replay sessions and download handouts anytime, completion certificate included. Learn on your terms.